Who is attorney Dave Falvey? Hi, I'm attorney Dave Falvey, and I have specialized in consumer bankruptcy for over 20 years. Our topic for this email is a question clients often ask. Who is attorney Dave Falvey? Well, I've been practicing bankruptcy law for over 38 years. Clients rightfully want to know something about myself before they place their trust in me. I'm the same as anyone else who goes to a doctor, accountant, or a plumber, electrician, teacher, or a chef. I'll have to give you my resume. So where should I begin? Well, as I said, I've been practicing law for 38 years. I was admitted into practice in 1982. I'm admitted to all courts in Connecticut and all federal courts, the Federal District Court, Federal Court of Appeals, and the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, I've been rated by Martindale-Hubbell as a premier attorney. You can discover any grievances against an attorney on the Connecticut judicial website. You'll see under my name that there are no grievances against me or public discipline. The court won't say anything good about you, but if you've been the subject of discipline, that information will be published. I've been rated by Martindale-Hubbell as premier, which is, quite frankly, the highest rating the agency will give, and it's one of the most established rating agencies. I have a very good rating with the Better Business Bureau of Connecticut. I'm a consumer bankruptcy law specialist, and I'm board certified since 1996. And that's for more than 22 years. To be board certified, you have to take a special bar exam on bankruptcy, have participated in cases of significance, and have the recommendation from opposing counsel in those cases. You can go to the website www.abcworld.org, and you'll find myself listed there. Presently, I'm the only attorney in Connecticut who is recognized as board certified in consumer or individual bankruptcies. How many cases have I filed? Well, I've successfully filed over 6,500 bankruptcy cases approximately. Since I concentrate my law practice on debt, I've been very successful with all these cases. I have filed Chapter 7, Chapter 13, Chapter 12, and Chapter 11. I'm a member of the American Bankruptcy Institute. You can go to www.abi.org, and the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys, and that's the www.nacba.org, the Connecticut Bar Association, ctbar.org, and the National Association of Consumer Advocates, naca.org. And I'm honored to tell you that I was been considered a super lawyer, and I recently was a panelist on an annual Connecticut bankruptcy conference on the topic of paying and discharging taxes in bankruptcy. Also, there's a rating agency called Super Lawyers, and I've been given this designation, which means that my fellow peers have nominated myself for this distinction, and have been recognized as a top attorney in New England for consumer bankruptcy. Freedom. Freedom has been my primary motivation in practicing law. My undergraduate degree was at Providence College. I'm a graduate of Suffolk University Law School in Boston. What has been my main motivation in the practice of law? Freedom is the answer. Getting people out of debtor's prison, helping them to remove dark clouds and to reestablish their credit, and to have a better financial life. I call this returning to financial freedom. Sincerely yours in freedom, Dave Falvey. Also, I should tell you, to get a fresh start today, I offer my clients a zero-down bankruptcy. Many times the first step to getting out of debtor's prison is filing for bankruptcy relief. And finally, for a free copy of my ebook, The Truth About Filing Bankruptcy in Connecticut, you can go to my website or click here and it should appear. To call my office, call 860-449-1510 to begin your journey to a fresh financial start. You should do it today. Do it now, and don't procrastinate.